Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. The Sonax Trio I have in front of us takes advantage of their quote-unquote hybrid polymer technology. All three products. The Sonax Spray and Seal, which is $19, the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer, which is $16, and the Sonax Net Shield, their 75 milliliter you can get for $9.99. This is a grand total of $45.98. And this is a little bit cheaper than a ceramic coating, an entry level, which can be $60, $70, $80. And why do I mention this? I have plenty of viewers and also customers that still want nothing to do with SiO2 or graphene on their vehicle. And I don't have all mine coated. I love polymer sealants. I love this trio right here. I'm going to show you that stacked exactly how I'm going to show you in this video, how I apply them, will give you pretty much the exact same or even longer period of protection and durability that an entry-level coating will give you. It'll also give you the hydrophobic properties as well, and the intense gloss and shine. Proper preparation is going to be just as key for this trio here than it would be for coating. So wash, clay, decontaminate, use an eye remover. A one-step, at least by machine or maybe even by hand, is better than nothing. Then we're going to apply the product starting with Net Shield. That will be the base. That will be the foundation, the building blocks of this system. Next in line, the second layer will be spray and seal, and forget about what you've read on the label. I'm going to do some off-label use here, and I have a damp microfiber even wrung out. It will not drip water. It's just slightly damp, and a couple sprays into the microfiber. You don't need much at all. Spray and seal a little bit goes a long way. That is going to be the second layer. Spread it evenly, one panel at a time from top to bottom. No, don't rinse it. Just wipe it off with a damp microfiber and then follow up with a dry one. The third and final layer, the topper, the cherry on top, will be the BSD or the Brilliant Shine Detailer. This can be used many ways, but we're going to apply just a little bit to a microfiber or foam applicator, spread evenly on top. 1 hour in between each layer minimum. You don't need a lot. These start to cure and crosshatch very quickly on the panel. And once we have all three layers, then we're going to give it the proper cure time. We're going to give them 12 hours, even 24 if you can. All three layers applied. All we do now is wait. This trio has been let to cure overnight, just 12 hours. That's all that's needed. So we start with a gloss meter reading of 84 on this particular panel. Did we get a jump in gloss? Absolutely. A nice, impressive jump. Slickness is something that lacks a little bit compared to some of the ceramic coatings or graphene coatings out there, but it's still a marked difference compared to a naked, clean, clear coat. How does the trio put up with heat? For those of you in very warm climates, well, I'll pinpoint 225 degrees in a little section on this test panel. Then when we go outside, we'll keep an eye on the area as it gets wet. Okay, you see where that area is. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's drag the panel outside. Let's see what it looks like when we remove the masking tape. Does it? Can you see the jet effect or the jetting effect? Does it make the area look darker, richer, give it more depth? It's a bit overcast today. I'm not sure if it's going to come through the camera, but yes, indeed, you can see the outline. It does make the area look darker. The Trio is hydrophobic. The Trio is also very resilient when it comes to resisting chemicals. The 10 wash test had no effect. What's in the bucket for the 10 wash test that has a combination of Adams strip wash has a ½ ounce of reset and a ½ ounce of power clean. I pulled some chemicals from the shelf, brought it out back, and I can show you how the Trio will resist them as well. This is Fireball Iron Burn. This is a very strong iron remover, ferrous metal remover. Here's a wheel and tire cleaner. We all know what this is. So you'll see the combination is starting to fade a bit, especially when it comes to hydrophobic properties. That doesn't mean it's completely gone, but it took Citral 266 after the 10 wash test and an alkaline degreaser and a wheel cleaner and the iron burn. This is a very tenacious trio here and will last a little bit over a year, 13, 14 months. Maintenance, if you want the trio to last even longer, will be the Brilliant Shine Detailer cut 5:1. That will do it for today's video. Another option that would take the place of an entry-level ceramic coating. It seems to be much cheaper.